Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you what to do with coins you get from Aliexpress. As you can see, I'm currently using the website itself, aliexpress.com. This is the website link. You can copy it, pause the video if you want. And by the way guys, before you get into this video, I'm gonna ask you kindly to make sure you're logged in. How can we be sure we're logged in? You're gonna see this little icon right here. So that's like a default profile photo, and you can say hi. And of course, you're gonna see this account, orders, and messages options right there. Okay? That being said, let's get on with the coins. What can we do with them? So I have two things that I normally do with them. I use them to change for coupons. How can we check on that? Click on this, hover your mouse on this account action right here. Click on my coins. Perfect. So technically here on this page, you can see what are the things you can do with coins. For example, you can get an extra 5% off with this specific necklace. You can get a 5% off with this teeth whitening tool, 11% off with this wood clapper board versus. It differs from item to item, it differs from sellers to sellers. So it's not really it's not really constant. It's not really the same. It really differs from seller to seller. So that's one thing. You can use your coins as a coupon on everything you buy. Whatever you want to choose, it depends on the seller on how much they're gonna give you a discount with. Secondly is once you check out an item, let's just select a random item right here. For example, this phone right here. This is actually iPhone 13, I think. That one right there. Let me just check. Click on this case right here. Let's try it out. Okay. So with this one, as you can see, there's an extra 2% off with a coin. If I click on buy now with this one, let me just choose this one, iPhone 11. This is only a case for iPhone 11. Click on buy now. Let's check it out. And then once I click on place order right here, there is an option. Sometimes they give you an option to enter your code here. Again, it differs from seller to seller. This is the second option of what you can do with a coin, okay? First of all, promo code, this is different from the coin. There are different sellers that says you can use your coins right here. There's a second option right there that says that if you use your coin within this purchase, you'll get another discount. It's the same process as the one earlier from here, where we click on the my coin section. It's technically the same, but it gives you much more of a control on whatever you want to do with your coins. Okay, that being said, that's how you use your coins on AliExpress. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one guys.